I'm Wendy Kozel. I'm the District Health Coordinator with Davis County Schools, and we're going to talk about going back to school and what you need to do to keep your child safe as we enter this back to school time. So basically the three pillars of staying safe and protecting yourself from coronavirus center around social distancing, wearing masks, and washing your hands. Social distance means keeping at least 6 feet of distance between you and someone else. So we're going to be achieving that in our district by spacing appropriately whenever children are together, and also the desk in the classroom to try to maintain that 6 feet distance between them as much as possible. So we're going to require a mask be worn as one of the three pillars to protect yourself. So in wearing a mask, you want to have a clean mask every day. And when you wear it, try not to touch the inside of your mask, okay? Because that's what's going up next to your face. So when you put it on, you're going to fit it tightly over your nose, put the ear straps on, and pull down over your chin. And you need to make sure you're covering your nose and your mouth and all the way under your chin. So when you see people wearing it underneath their nose or underneath their chin, it's not doing the job that it's supposed to do. So in order for it to work effectively, you need to make sure all those three areas are covered and it fits snugly against the face, and that you try really hard not to touch the outside or mess around with it too much while you're wearing it. So the last pillar that we're concentrating on is hand washing. So it's really important that you wash your hands frequently throughout the day, before and after any contact with any other surfaces. If you're coughing or sneezing, before and after you eat, after you go to the restroom. So to wash your hands appropriately, you want to make sure that you use soap and water and rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds. So you want to count that out, okay, while you're washing your hands. Then you're going to rinse them. Then you grab the paper towel, dry your hands, turn the faucet off, and your hands are clean. In instances where hand washing is not practical or available, you may use the hand sanitizer, and that needs to be over 60% alcohol to be effective. We will be assessing temperatures on all of our students and staff whenever they get to school, but we are asking parents to be that first line of defense and to check their child's temperature every day before they come to school. And also look for any signs and symptoms that they might be getting sick or have the coronavirus. So the temperature needs to be below 100.4 in order for them to come to school without the use of fever-reducing medications. So number one, that's really important. Number two, any of the symptoms that you need to be screening for that they're asking us to do have to do with temperature above 100.4, a sudden cough that makes it difficult to breathe, or a change in baseline if your student or your child has asthma. So if their cough is worse than it normally is, that would be an indicator that they need to get evaluated. If they have any nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, a sudden severe headache, those are some of the main symptoms that we've been asked to screen for, and that's something that we are going to be asking parents to screen for daily as well with their students. Also, if you have any have had contact with someone who has tested positive, and to be a contact, that means that you would have been within 6 feet for longer than 15 minutes combined to be considered a contact. So if you fall in that category, until you can figure out what's going on or until you're contacted by the health department, you need to keep your student home. So any direct contact with someone who has symptoms of or has tested positive for COVID-19, they do not need to be sent to school as well. We appreciate everyone's hard work as to trying to get back into school. Everyone stay safe, stay healthy, follow those three pillars so that we can return to school and actually stay in school and enjoy a good school year.